Hey guys, Wing096 here, and today we're going to be looking at the RX-79 BD1, also known as the Blue Destiny Unit 1 exam. This is a pretty recent kit. This came out in 2017, so it's going to have some cool articulation, I imagine. I have yet to build this. I can't wait to. This usually goes for 1600 yen, which would be about 16 bucks over here, so fair price. Let's have a look at the box. Just some art, Gundam website. Some poses for the Blue Destiny 1, showing off its articulation and all that. Left open hand parts are attached. Beam sabers are stored in the legs. It's a cool feature. The back and shoulders of the manga version of exam system activation mode. Wide range of motion, various gimmicks allow the reproduction of powerful actions. Good articulation, I assume. The head. The head can be selected from 4 styles: the game version, the manga version, the regular version, and the exam version. Those are all pretty cool designs, in my opinion. So let's see the weapons it comes with. A 100mm machine gun, a shield, and 2 beam sabers. That's cool. Alright, let's open this up, shall we? Alright, so straight off the bat, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 if you count that, 8, polycaps, but 9, 10 runners, and 2 sticker sheets, as you can see here. Let's have a look at the manual, shall we? Alright, so this is the manual for the Blue Destiny Unit 1. Tells you all the details about the Blue Destiny Unit 1. RX-79 BD1, 18.5 meters tall, 52.8 tons, its weight. Its total weight is 73.0 tons. Generator output, who knows. Material, aluminum titanium alloy. Ornaments, 100mm machine gun, chest Vulcan gun, abdominal wide control missile, beam saber, and shield. Straight off the bat, let's see. There's 2 stickers right here. Another here. 2 right here. 2 on the chest. 3 on the shield. So that's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stickers. Well, actually it tells us right here. About 14. 13 if you don't include the other visor. Let's see the instructions, shall we? Actually, let's look at the back. Yeah, I was right. 4 stickers on the shield, 3 on the chest, and about 3 on the head. Pretty cool. Let's look at the instructions. Reasonable. Let's look at the parts list. We have A1, A2, B1, D, E, C2, C1, B2, SP13, which is the beam sabers, and polycaps, which actually have 3 unused polycaps. 2 sticker sheets. That's pretty much it. Oh, hold on, almost forgot. There's also this nifty little coloring guide if you want to paint the mobile suit. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. Alright, let's put all this away. Sorry, this might be cringy. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. Expect to see a time-lapse build of this soon. And, well, hope you have a good day. See you.